welcome back to my YouTube channel for those of you who are returning subscribers. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ubi Ogulu. In today's video, I will be doing a hair tutorial. I bought a product for my wigs and it has worked amazingly on my wigs. The product says that it is also good for silk presses, and I figured I'd try it on my hair, which is why my hair looks like this. I haven't straightened my hair yet because I wanted to film and share the whole process with you guys. If you watched my last hair tutorial, you would know that I bought a whole bunch of oils and stuff to use for a silk press, and that worked really well. But I said in the end of the video that I wanted something to give me a little bit more sheen when I'm done with the silk press, and I'm hoping that this new product will do that. The product I'm referring to is the Slayed by Ange Heat Mist. It is lightweight, luxurious moisture. A little goes a long way. I don't remember the price I paid for this, but I will definitely put the details on the screen and in the description box in case anyone wants to get their hands on it. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So what I'm going to do is put on my leave-in conditioner again, put on some heat protect, and put on the oils and end all of that with this mist because the mist has oil in it as well. I mean, I think my hair looks kind of cute right now, but we're still gonna straighten it out anyway. It's about time. It's about time to straighten it out. I think I'm going to do a side parting as well. First, I'm using my John Frieda Frizz Ease Daily Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. Then I go in with my Tresemme Pro Collection Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. After that, I apply my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Shine Oil. And then I go in with my Pantene Pro V Smooth and Sleek Argan Dry Oil. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the Slayed by Ange Heat Mist. I am done applying all the products into my hair, and my hair doesn't feel weighed down. This is always a good sign for me when it comes to applying oils and anything onto my hair, because I don't like my hair to feel weighed down, especially after I've straightened it, and some oils tend to do that. I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair now. There's a video on my channel on how I straighten my hair, so if you want to see that, then I'm going to drop that up in a card as well as in the description box, just so it's easier for you to get to that video, because I'm not going to show that in here because it's just going to take too long. And then I'll be back at some point when I'm done straightening my hair. You can see what it looks like, and I'm hoping for the best, y'all. I'm hoping for the best. All I can say is, as a product, Slayed by Ange is 10 out of 10. My hair still feels really, really soft. It gives me that sheen that I wanted all the other oils to give me, and my hair is just bouncy, like it's gonna blow in the wind. And yeah, I'm happy. It's 10 out of 10 for me. I definitely recommend the product. I'm going to drop the link in the description box in case anyone wants to pick it up. It is the Slayed by Ange Heat Mist. Just so we are clear, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I purchased this product myself with my hard-earned coin, so don't nobody come into my comment section and try to, insinuate or say that the video is sponsored. It is not. I am just a really, really happy camper, and obviously if I'm a happy camper, I'm going to recommend the product to you guys. So yes, 10 out of 10. I look cute. I look cute. I look cute. I feel amazing. My hair feels amazing, and I'm really, really happy. Can't wait to go outside. We're in lockdown, so I'm probably not going to be going outside anytime soon, but I still look cute though. I just wanted to say that if there are any brands that are watching this video and you would like to send me a hair straightener, please do. My email is in the description box. You can email me and organized to send me a hair straightener because I need a new hair straightener. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As usual, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.